Okay, you go ahead and open it. Let's see. What is it? Very well protected in the box with the styrofoam there. Okay, take the plastic off. Oh, put your hand in here. Right here. Oh, what'd you find? This is Petsinol. Do you know what this is? Do you know what that is? Yeah, we need those. We got them from the store. Okay, we went to Home Hardware. Yeah, there's a hole all the way through. What do you think's gonna go in there? Yeah. All right, the seeds are gonna go in there. And they gave us some suction cups, 3 of them, to go here, here. It looks like there's a little hole, so one will go here too. This is gonna go on the window, and we're gonna get birds. We're gonna get birds. It's okay. You wanna fill it? Say bye-bye.
Bye.